Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia T20 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and scroll down to the very bottom in order to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the Digital Wellbeing. Sometimes if you will turn it on for the very first time, you will simply have to pick if you want to enter the Digital Wellbeing or the Parental Controls. So simply tap on the Wellbeing. And as you can see, right in the middle, we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for 16 minutes. And most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we can check it. What's more, here we've got the unlock count and notifications which I've received. So if you want to, you can check much more details about the time you've spent on this device. So first of all, you can tap on the particular app, in my case settings for example. Let's tap on it. Okay, fortunately it worked. And as you can see, after tapping on it, your device will show you the graphs, weekly graphs for example, connected only with this app. So we can check for how long I've been using the settings in Friday, Thursday or Wednesday. Of course, you can change the screen time to the notifications received, times opened, and daily to hourly or daily. Okay, let's get back. What's more, that was the first way of checking more details, and if you want to, you can simply tap in the middle of the graph and it will simply transfer us to the dashboard of only the screen time, so for how long we've been using this device in particular days, and under it we've got also the list of apps which we've been using, so in my case mostly settings. Here you can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. So let's get back. Of course, you can tap on unlocks and notifications and it again will show you the graphs. Under it you've got the ways to disconnect, so you've got the dashboard, the bedtime mode and focus mode, which is quite a cool option because if you need the time for yourself, you need to work or you just want to sleep and you don't want to be disturbed, then you can set for example the bedtime mode or focus mode. It means that after entering it, you will be able to pick the apps which are most distracting for you, from which you are receiving most notifications, and simply, let's say, just by marking the camera, we will be able to turn it on. We can set the schedule, which means that your device will limit the notifications from those apps for example Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. We can pick the start and end time, so it's highly customizable, and I highly recommend to use this mode to just have time for yourself without any disturbance. And under it we've got also the options to reduce the interruptions, and we've got the manage notifications and do not disturb, and both of those options will just transfer us to let's say just regular options which are in this device. And if you want to get to the parental controls, as you can see, you can do it right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your Nokia T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.